feel that I can speak Tagalog. Are you Pinoy?
Merry Christmas all of you guys.
How did you know, ha, paano mo nalaman, paano ka natutong mag-Tagalog?
Everything our eyes meet, there's feeling inside me. It's almost more than I can say. Baby, when you touch me, love me, and it blows me away. It feels like the first time. Thank you, 12 viewers. Thank you, thank you.